So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and create an Instagram account. Now doing this is actually very basic. The first thing you're going to want to do is you want to make your way over into the Instagram application. Now when you first make your way over into the Instagram application, you might actually be presented into a page that looks probably something similar to this. So you might see a page that looks something like this, or it'll be a sample, random page. Now, if you make your way over to Instagram.com, it will also kind of give you into a similar page like that as well. So you can either go there or you can go to Instagram.com, whichever way you want to do it. There's a couple different ways to do it. And on Instagram.com, you have the option of either logging in or signing up. So click on sign up, and you're going to be able to type in your phone number. So type in your phone number that you want associated with your account, or you can also sign up with your email. So tap on phone number or sign up via email like this. And then what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to type in your email or phone number, and then it's going to go through the account, setup portion. So then you're going to be able to start setting up your account. You're going to start building out your account, putting in your password. And then after that, you're going to be able to go inside of your Instagram application, and then you're going to be able to set up the Instagram application, login, everything like that via that way. So there's a couple different ways to do it. You can either set it up inside of the application or you can set it up via the internet browser, but those are kind of the main ways to kind of do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.